Hi, I'd like to highlight the benefits of the ND series of pressure sensors that support many applications by measuring differential, gauge, and absolute pressures from as low as 62 Pascal to as high as 150 psi. Having an expanded operating temperature to go along with the industry's lowest noise floor and the ability to support up to 7 pressure ranges in one device, the ND is ideal for a wide range of applications in manufacturing, R&D, transportation, and operations. Flexibility is at the core of the ND. Not only can its multiple pressure ranges be changed on the fly, there's also an advanced programmable bandwidth filter, integrated notch filter, and optional closed-loop control capability. What does this flexibility mean? Engineers can design one or a whole series of products much faster and more efficiently than with competing pressure sensors. A company can standardize on one sensor and quickly release many innovative products across various markets, and procurement and manufacturing can standardize on one part, resulting in greater purchasing leverage, lower inventory costs, and reduced manufacturing complexities.